I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of CoverDoc. The first step is to sign up with your email and your LinkedIn profile, which will help personalize the cover letters and prep content. After you connect your LinkedIn profile and your resume, you can start requesting cover letters with interview prep. The way it works is you can browse the job listing, copy and paste the title, the company, the job description, and then select what writing style you'd like the AI to use when creating the cover letter. Job seekers can also set the creativity level for the output and also provide a company website URL, and we'll summarize the website for the job seeker. After the request goes through, the job seeker will get an email within 2 minutes with a link to a Google Doc where they can see all the company insights. They'll also get to see a summary of the company website, which includes information about the company's mission, values, and any content that's on the site. And then you get a draft cover letter, which is personalized based on the LinkedIn profile and resume that we have on file. Includes a reference to a news article within the cover letter. And then you get interview prep with questions to expect, how you should answer them using the STAR method based on their work experience, and then what questions they should ask the hiring manager. There are feedback loops throughout the product where job seekers can give feedback on personalization, relevancy, and accuracy of cover letters and interview prep, along with some open-ended feedback. We use this feedback to improve the prompts for cover letters, interview prep, and company insights to continually improve the product. In addition to the feedback ratings, job seekers can also give feedback on whether or not they got an interview for the particular job by just going to the dashboard and clicking on the Got an Interview button. Over 55% of CoverDoc users are applying for jobs outside the US. So next we'll go through what that process looks like for a non-US job seeker. So when you go to the user profile, we have an option to change preferred language. So you can switch to any of the languages we currently support. And then it's the same process as before, where they can request a cover letter, copying the job details into the cover letter request form and then specifying writing style, creativity level, website. All of that is the same process. So in this example here, we have a job seeker who applied to a job in Frankfurt, Germany. So if they click through and view the content, all the content is now written in German, and they get all the interview prep in their native language. A growing percentage of CoverDoc users are active students who are applying for apprenticeships, internships, or dual education programs. So we've built a feature that allows them to write the cover letters from the perspective of an active student as opposed to someone with a lot of work experience. The way it works is the job seeker can go to their profile and indicate that they're enrolled in a dual education program, and they specify the name of their university, degree program, and a specific hiring deadline. From there, they can follow the same process and request a cover letter, and it will be written from the perspective of an active student. The cover letter will include all the education details that they save to their profile. During customer discovery, we learned that a big pain point for immigrant job seekers is salary and offer negotiation. There's language barriers and a gap in the data that they have available to them. And so we try to solve for that by giving them market-driven benchmarks on salary and their offer, and also give them advice on how to initiate negotiation with the hiring manager. The job seeker enters details about their job offer, including the title, the company name, the location of the job, base salary, signing bonus, equity, pay time off, the main components of their offer, and using that with their years of work experience, we can use AI to determine whether or not that offer is fair, undervalued, or lucrative. So we essentially tell them if they're leaving money on the table. Is it an acceptable offer or is there room for negotiation? In addition to the compensation evaluation, we also give negotiation advice for things beyond just base salary. Things that may not be obvious to the job seeker. For example, negotiating work from home, learning budgets, training, and continuing education, for example, are things that a lot of job seekers don't think to negotiate. One of the things that immigrant job seekers in particular struggle with is initiating negotiation. They oftentimes accept the first offer, and so we're providing a way for them to get a draft email. It gives them the right talking points to initiate negotiation. So, everything you've seen so far is the consumer experience where a job seeker signs up and requests preparation content for the jobs that they're applying to. What we're trying to do is test a B2B model where a group, a career coach, or a school can buy credits on behalf of a group of job seekers. The screens you see here are the group admin logging in and seeing activity for the group of job seekers in the program. So, as you can see, there is a listing of every job seeker in the program along with how many documents they've created. They can also click through and see each document for everyone in the program.